telling me it's harmless. I've memorized your worst and best. Your coat still smelled like winter air, and something sweet that wasn't mine. You came home late with lips half tucked behind a crooked, silent lie. So don't say her name, I already know. I watched it happen, soft and slow. The way your fingers brushed her lips, like I was someone you could miss. Hope she tastes the guilt you hid, 'cause I was that girl you kissed. Before you learn to forget me quick. I'm not the storm you thought I'd be. I'm quieter than you deserve, but every calm hides undertow. And baby, I have heard your words. You said you love me like no other. I guess you must be just like air, the kind that sneaks into your lungs while I'm still choking on your care. So don't say her name, I already know. I felt it shift that undertow. The way your smile began to twist, like love was something you could quit. You marked me like a cigarette, then burned through that girl you kissed, like I was just your last regret. Maybe she won't mind the ghosts you carry in your heavy hands, but I hope one night you see my face when you're trying hard to love again. So don't say her name, I carved it deep into the space you used to keep. The warmth I gave, the tears I hid, the version of me you dismissed. Hope she knows who paid the price for that girl you kissed, and every lie behind that night. Yeah, I was that girl you kissed, and the one you left behind. Morning light spills soft across the floor, coffee cooling by the door. I used to chase a distant view, now I'm waking up to you. All the noise I held so tight fades into a quieter kind of right. Love what you have, right where you stand. Not every dream needs a bigger plan. Hands in the moment, heart finally still. Something promise made. Every road I wandered pulled me through fragments of the life I outgrew. I wore every silence like a coat, held the weight of words I never spoke. The wind don't question where I've been, it just lets me breathe again. There's a stillness calling out my name, not a place, not a face, not a flame. I am home in the space I couldn't see, in the quiet that was waiting for me. Not a door, not a light in the night, but a feeling I don't have to fight. All the miles fall out of my bones, I don't need a road, no. I am home, I am home. I am home. Old ghosts fade in the open air, lose their shape when I stop the stare. Every shadow softens in the sun, every ending folds into one. I don't chase what I used to chase, time don't move at the same old pace. There's a rhythm underneath my skin that I'm finally listening. No walls, no keys, no lines to trace. No map could ever hold this place. It was breathing under every doubt, I just had to let it out. I am home in the air I breathe, in the truth I don't have to leave. Not a road, not a past to outrun, just a life that's finally begun. All the miles fall out of my bones, I was never alone. I am home, I am home. I am home. I am home. I almost gave up on the timing, thought love was a train I missed. Off the road past in the distance, carrying all my wishes. I learned how to sleep in the silence, made peace with an empty side. Told myself I was fine alone, even when I lied. Every almost, every maybe, every door that closed on me, let me hear without me knowing what it meant to be. You were the wait, every second, every heartbreak, every tear that wouldn't fade, led me to your arms that night. You were worth the fall, all the times I hit the bottom, all the nights I felt forgotten. Now I see it all so clear, love showed up right here. You were the way. I wore my doubt like a shadow, let it follow everywhere, built a wall